Our most difficult course, the tank trap, brought to you by Ohio Offroad Mowers, the Charboneau Family, and Andrew Tinker. Welcome back, everyone. I'm Red02, your host for this year's Top Tractor Challenge video series. Not only do we have bigger and better obstacles, we have the top 8 competitors from all over the country came here to Palmatuning, Pennsylvania to compete for over $1,000 sponsored in from some of the best sponsors that we got this year. And I hope you sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. 3, 2, 1, go! First up on the tank trap, we have Andy. Cooper is up next. Up next is Jonathan. As always, on video, these obstacles look super simple, and on top of that, we have the top drivers throughout the country here competing, making obstacles look a lot easier than what they actually are. And Jonathan right here struggling really bad to get through the first pull, and ultimately breaking off his shifter and getting a DNF.
He just broke the shifter off. 3, 2, 1, go!
Ethan is up next.
I smell belt.
Nope.
3, 2, 1, go!
Be Destructive takes a stab at it next.
Should have made that sloppy this year. I'm saying I should have made that hill sloppy.
Be Destructive was the only competitor able to clear the bonus log at the end of the tank trap, giving him a 15-second advantage on his time.
3, 2, 1, go!
Donnie is up next. Donnie is the first ever competitor of PTC in the PTC compound history to get swallowed up by this hole. I've never had a tractor during the competition or in the off season get swallowed just like Donnie Sears did in this hole. So we'll see how these massive ruts that he made fares out for the rest of the competitors in the competition.
3, 2, 1, go!
Josh is up next. Josh was able to hit that mud hole just right and pop out the other end and didn't have any issues at all.
3, 2, 1, go!
last but not least, CreepyCrawler. CreepyCrawler having a little bit of trouble, but ultimately being able to get out of that end of the mud hole. CreepyCrawler with another first place finish, by far the closest tank trash scores that we've ever had. Super quick times. I'm gonna have to make next year's course even more difficult with how good these competitors are getting. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. We'll catch you on the next one. It's going to be the mud bog and the rewards up for the finale. If you haven't already, make sure you go check out all the other 2022 TTC videos, and make sure you go check out all of those wonderful sponsors we had on board this year. Until next time, have a wonderful day.